Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Today is your first day. Please subscribe. All my supporters, thank you all. God bless you all in Jesus name. Today I'm making Chinese type chicken, fried chicken, that is with the chicken wings. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. So I have my Cameroon pepper. I just like to have Cameroon pepper on it. Cameroon pepper because it's going to be spices. That's why I have that. I have my soya sauce. I'm going to add a lot. I think we'll add more.
Oh, what is that thing?
I have my chili flakes because you know this chicken is going to be spicy. It's a lot of spices. So I'm going to add sugar, just like a spoon or a half spoon of sugar. So I'm adding my paprika. Just add more as you feel like. Alright. So now for the chicken, I'm going to add my salt. Go in with salt. So I'm just going to add some seasoning. Just try to turn it around. Mix it together so that everything go in properly. That's it. This is my corn flour that I'm going to use to fry it. Now I'm going to go on now doing the chicken, rolling now with the corn flour. Put it aside. I'm just trying to use them because I think it's more easier for me. Just one batch round, turn round. It's okay. Because it's double frying I'm going to do. For the first time, I'm going to fry it for 20 minutes with low gas, with lower heat. So I'm going to fry it for the second time. Just keep watching, guys. So I will allow the oil to hold properly. I'm just going to go ahead now. Look at putting it on the pan so that it fry. Just like cooking by 20 minutes with low heat. That's what I'm going to do with this chicken. So I continue. So now I'm going to add my garlic. This is grated garlic, so I just grated it. So now I'm going to cook this thing for 1 minute. The lower gas. I'm going to on the little one just for 1 minute to melt together. So everything will stir and combine together here. Remember, this is spices that I'm going to use for the chicken. Look at it. Lower heat. It's cooking up for 2 minutes and it's going to cook for 10 minutes. This is lower gas, lower heat frying. Take note of it. Thank you. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to turn it now. Turn the chicken around. Yes, it's just there. Cooking. I like this corn flour, I tell you. You can also use starch flour or potato flour. I think I prefer this one more than normal flour we normally use. Just take a look. It looks so beautiful. Easy. That's fine, guys. I hope you are going to like it. If you need more spices, look at the sauce is cooking. You can add our African pepper, the normal pepper we have. but with Cameroon pepper, with those, the one I'm using is fine also for me, because I have little kids I'm going to eat as well. If not, they are going to say, mommy, they don't like your food. You know, younger children, they don't like to eat spices. Okay guys, now it's 1 minute. I'm going to off it now. Yeah, I off the gas. Oh wow, I'm going to taste it. Oh dear. Oh, it's looking nice, tasting good. Yeah, beautiful. Look at the chicken wings. It's still frying. You know, this is the first frying. So this is 10 minutes now. It will make 10 minutes. So I take it off. Then I fry it the second time. It's going to be look crunchy, really, really crunchy. This one. You will like it. I promise you, you're going to like it. So guys, now I'm going to pull it off the chicken. I have my paper towel. So I'm going to be pulling them off now. There. Take a look how it looks like. I've pulled off the chicken wings now. I'm trying to just take out some of the crunch there. Okay, I'm going to continue fry it for the second time. Just look at it. Now I'm going to hide the oil so that here's the second fry. You can see the difference now with the second frying and the first frying. This is the first one. This is the second one. I'm still going to add that one. I just want to remove this first. It's going to be so crunchy. You can see it already. I'm going to put it off down. See or not. In there. So guys, this is the chicken. We are through. So just gonna paint it. Just rub how you feel. So I'm gonna test it now. Oh, you hear the sound? Oh dear. This is looking so yummy. Oh mama, this is good guys. Just try it. I tell you, with the sauce, wow, this is really double fried. Oh dear, it's good. God bless you. Thank you for watching. All my supporters, may the Lord bless you. Thank you. See you shortly on the next video. Please, Jesus is calling you. give your life to Jesus. God bless you as you do that. Bye bye.